Cuddy boy. Cuddy ain't no joke. That shit hit different when you did all that work by yourself. I'm talking about from getting an '05 Cadillac Escalade motor and trim and just dropping it inside of a '87 Cadillac. Just took this the coach. Cold thing is too, y'all. Like I ain't think I could do it. But you see, anything you want can be done. Setting off alarms and shit.